If you want to write on top of other programs, Windows Toggle is the tool for you. Note that this is only available in myViewBoard for Windows. Start by locating the toggle icon in the main toolbar. When you select this icon, it will hide your canvas and put you in desktop mode, showing whatever was in the background. Here we're on Google Earth and we can touch and interact with this page. Notice though I'm still in myViewBoard. You can see the toolbar over here on the right. And if I want to get back to my whiteboard, just click that red My Cloud at the top. This is why we call it toggle, because you can see it switching back and forth. Now let's pretend I want to mark the quartz layer here on Uncompahgre Peak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my pen tool. I can change my colors just like the normal pen tool or my line thickness here. And then once I have it how I like it, I can just touch and drag, and you'll notice that I'm not in interact mode, I'm now in writing mode. Now this is just an overlay, and I have a couple choices. If I wanted to, I could just delete it using the eraser or trash can. But maybe I want to move or interact, so I'm going to close it by clicking the X. And again, you'll notice if I close it, that turns off my pen. And now if I try to touch, see how everything moves, but it doesn't stick or stay where it's supposed to be? Again, I can use the trash can to delete everything, or if you want to, notice the camera lens there in the main toolbar. This is going to let us make a screen capture. And so if I press this, it's going to open the screen capture menu. We'll use the middle icon, which is the area capture. It's going to gray out my screen, and now I can touch and drag or click and drag the area I want to capture. And what it does is it takes that picture, it's going to drop it here into my viewboard so I can use it later. Let's do this one more time on a new page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the toggle button. This is going to put me in desktop mode. Let's switch to a different website. Turn on my pen, but this time we'll switch to the highlighter and we'll highlight this part of the poem. Now let's switch to our pen tool and we'll write our question off to the right. Keep in mind, if you ever return back to the whiteboard without taking a screen capture, you will lose everything that you have written. So make sure to use that screen capture if you want to save it. Again, we'll X out of this or close it so we can get to our camera, and we'll use the area capture. Again, just a touch and drag, and I can take whatever I wrote and it puts it inside the whiteboard.
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to PDTeamUS@viewsonic.com.